Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.